the spotlight on ability?
Complicate me all the time.
Can you put the spotlight on ability?
Telling poetry from simple rhymes. Sometimes
our job was to find out like each of the talents of the kids in our group, and so once we found
just like burning candles in blinding light.
Can you put the spotlight on ability?
At times I sit all by myself, wondering what I haven't tried.
Wheelchair, it's, oh, that kid was in my skit, or oh, I saw that kid in that play, or that girl's really good at running.
So, what do you think of the show?
I thought it was terrific. It's one of the best things that Conner High School does every year. Your kids are outstanding.
Thank you very much.
There's a world yet to see.
This is my last name.
I'll find another part of me.
From the moment it started, I had a lump in my throat, tears in my eyes, and instead of a pre-calculus, pre-algebra, it's just one group, and it's the most beautiful thing we produce. And it is amazing, and you should be so proud because you still.
Are you ready to put the spotlight on ability?
Screaming for my life.
It was amazing. I enjoyed it so much. I love coming every year to Unfiied.
Are you ready?
Are you ready? So that I can fly. I can feel it deep inside. A voice within I never knew that I could call mine. But if I fly, there's a world that's yet to see. Well, maybe if I fly, I'll fly.
Finding a joke?
Yeah. Nothing we do here that makes me proud. Dancing, you know, from my swag.
I like seeing Spencer every day.
'Cause it's just lights, oh, bursting through the skylines
and stars, all waving me goodbye.
Whispers haunting me forever.
But for all I can remember, thought that you said I could never fly. I can feel it deep inside. A voice within I never knew that I could call mine. But if I fly, there's a world that's yet to see. Oh yeah.